Whether you're a professional or a first-time DIYer, the following installation video was created to provide you with a quick and easy step-by-step process for installing the Redi Nich tileable product in your shower. Please comply with the recommendations and standards established by the National Tile Council of North America. Please make note of the following tools and material you will need for this installation, and optionally, a caulking gun and drywall saw. Step 1. Locating studs and cutting backer board. This guide begins assuming you are installing your Redi Nich into an existing finished wall. If you are installing into new construction without an existing wall, please skip to Step 2 at 1 minute and 38 seconds in the video. First, use a stud finder or tap the wall to locate and mark the center of two adjacent framing studs. Draw a level line between the two wall studs. Place the niche between the two marked studs with the flange walls flush against the wall and trace the outline of the niche on the wall. Be sure to level the top lines, the left and right vertical lines, as well as the bottom lines. It is now time to cut out the wall board along the traced lines between the two studs using a utility knife or drywall saw. Continue to cut along these lines until the piece can be easily removed by hand. Step 2. Measuring distances to see if additional support studs are needed. First, we will check to see if additional vertical support studs are needed. Measure the distance between vertical studs. Please note that the distance between the center lines of two adjacent studs generally is 16 inches, and the niche is designed for that condition. If the distance is greater than 16 inches, attach vertical framing to one or both of the vertical studs to accommodate the size of the niche. Next, we will check to see if additional horizontal support studs are needed. This is determined by the number of screw holes in your Redi Nich. If you have a larger Redi Nich and can count at least 4 vertical screws on both the left and right sides, for a total of 8, it is not necessary to install horizontal support studs, and you may skip to Step 3 at 2 minutes and 58 seconds in the video. If you have a smaller Redi Nich and count 3 vertical screws or less on each side like this, you will need to install additional horizontal support studs. Measure and cut top and bottom horizontal support studs to a length that permits each of them to run between and to be fastened or screwed to both vertical studs. Level and mechanically fasten or screw the top horizontal support studs to both of the adjacent vertical studs so that the vertical dimension between the horizontal support studs match the vertical dimension of the Redi Nich. Step 3. Applying screws and waterproofing. Place the Redi Nich between the support studs. Level and mechanically fasten Redi Nich using one framing screw in each pre-drilled hole. Please note, when starting with new construction, install your tile backer board around the Redi Nich, being sure to install it in accordance with industry standards. Use a drill to screw in your Redi Nich to the support studs. Neatly apply 100% waterproofing silicone to cover each screw hole. Be sure to apply silicone to all empty screw holes that may not have been used when installing a larger niche that does not require horizontal support studs. Next, apply waterproofing tape and liquid-applied membrane along the entire edge of the niche flange to fill in all gaps between the flange and the adjacent shower board. Use a cloth or towel to wipe away excess silicone, leaving a flat, even, well-sealed surface for your material to set to. Our Redi Nich products come in a variety of designs and can also be rotated 180 degrees to meet your needs. Please check our website for new configurations. You are now ready to apply your setting material and set your tile, marble, or stone directly to the Redi Nich surface. Pro tip: are you working with one of our double, triple, or quadruple combination models? Simply place your additional niches directly beside, above, or below each other. We recommend you complete framing for all niches before beginning to fasten your niche. We hope this installation video was helpful. The Redi Nich Shower Shelves are just one of the many products that Tile Redi has developed, and we will continue to innovate new ideas for our customers. If you need additional help, please never hesitate to contact our technical department at 855-441-2718 or visit our website at tileredi.com.